Hi, today I'm joined by Will from CareCo and we're looking at the Foldalite and the Foldalite Pro power chairs. And Will, these are great looking chairs, aren't they?
Yeah, exactly. Motion Healthcare, as the manufacturer, have brought out some really fantastic products here. Obviously today we're going to be going through the Foldalite and Foldalite Pro. A lot of the same similar features on both products, but a few extra features on the Pro might suit a certain user.
Okay, well, let's look at features which are on both chairs, starting off with the back, because that's really adjustable, isn't it?
Yeah, first and foremost, at the rear of the product, we've got the tension adjustable backrest, so you can make it tighter or looser depending on how firm you like your seat. On the side of the product, what's cleverly been done is there's two buttons and you can angle adjust the backrest. On both of the products, the Foldalite and the Foldalite Pro, you've got a really nice mesh padding here. On the base, you've got a contoured cushion and a removable cushion as well.
We've got this wonderful power control unit there. Talk us through that and some of the features that offers.
One of the key features on both the Foldalite and the Foldalite Pro is the new LCD display. So what does that mean for a user? Well, first and foremost, the key thing is the visual battery gauge. That is displayed as a percentage. It has a backlight that you can turn on or off. It's got the auto sleep mode, so after 10 minutes the handset and the power chair will automatically shut down. They've got charging that can be done on the underside of the controller. There's also the USB charging on the side, so that's great if someone's going to be using the product and they wanted to charge their phone at all.
Now, actually talking about power, they've really cleverly disguised the location of the batteries. Tell us a little bit more about them and what range and so on that we get from these particular chairs.
So yeah, first and foremost, really cleverly disguised. A lot of our customers will often say, where are the batteries? And we have to obviously inform them that they're stored on both the left-hand side and the right-hand side of the product. On the Foldalite and the Foldalite Pro, you're going to get a maximum range of 9 miles. They're lithium-ion batteries, so nice and lightweight. In terms of charging time, that's also reduced with the lithium-ion batteries. Motion Healthcare actually include on the Foldalite and the Foldalite Pro the off-board charging unit. That's a really nice little feature that's been added in at no extra cost to the user.
So working our way down through the chair there, Will, we've also got these really handy knee protectors. Tell us a bit more about them.
So the knee protectors are primarily there to provide support. If you are turning on a radius, then obviously it just gives you that extra side comfort to know that if you were to knock something, then you're not going to be damaging your knees. And also a lot of our customers actually like to use them as side supports as well. So when you're adjusting them, you can bring them to an angle that feels comfortable to you. And then obviously when you're folding it, they're quite nice and easy just to fold down and have sort of at the side as they are now.
It is all about comfort with these particular chairs, and the Footplate helps with that, doesn't it?
100%. Both on the Foldalite and the Foldalite Pro, you've got the flip-up footplate. What that means is for a user getting onto the product, you can get as close to it as possible. So it's nice and safe and nice and easy to access the product. All you need to do is push the lever to the side and you can flip the footplate up. It's the same really with access on and off the seat. You've got the flip-up swing away armrests on both the left hand side and the right hand side.
And moving on down to the actual mobility of the chair, we've got some fantastically strong, sturdy wheels there. Talk us through all of that side of things.
Yeah, so first and foremost, both of the products got a fantastic turning circle, so perfect for indoor and outdoor use. With regards to outdoor use, a lot of these types of power chairs will often have a compromised front wheel. But on these, they're really substantial. So in terms of climbing up drop-down curbs, going to the park, going off, over any gravel or lumps and bumps, then these products are going to be able to deal with that, no problem at all. You've got the added peace of mind of the fact that you've got puncture-proof tyres. They've got the mud guards on the rear as well, which is a really nice feature. And obviously on the Foldalite Pro, what you've got is above the wheels is you've got the front suspension.
Just making it that little bit more comfortable. And I noticed as well that it's really easy to go between, freewheel mode and motorized mode. And another feature on both of these chairs is the fact that the anti-tip wheels can be adjusted.
On the anti-tip wheel, all you have to do is lift the lever and you can adjust out the anti-tip wheel so you can pull it further out or push it further in.
These are, of course, folding power chairs. So talk us through how that happens.
No problem. So I would always start with the controller. I'd remove that so it's out of your way as such. Then simply what we need to do is push the buttons in and fold the backrest down. Then flip up the armrests all the way backwards so they're out of your way. One key thing you need to make sure that you do is make sure that the wheels are straight and aligned. So then coming to the rear of the product, you stand to the side. I would always push the two levers together and fold from back to front. There's a kickstand at the rear that you can use to stand the product up if you did want to secure it in a cupboard or put it into a location. Or if you did want to move the product, you can push the kickstand away, and using the backrest, you can flip that back forwards, and then you can use that to pull the product about.
Well, we've only talked about some of the features here. There's so many more, and you can get all the details and all the specifications about both chairs on the CareCo website. You can always pop into a store and chat to one of our team or give us a call. Thanks for watching. Take care.